Creating product photos with EA can be a powerful way to produce high quality images without needing a physical photo shoot. Here are the general steps you can follow to create product photos using EA tools. So first of all you have to do is dive into FlairAI. This is the home page. As you can see here, we have a variety information, but before, let's click on over pricing here. So it's absolutely for free, as you can see, and forever your current plan. We have here features up to 10 images per month and up to 5 projects. So to use Flare.ai platform as a creating branded content, you can just follow these steps. First of all, you have to sign up, then you create a project, then you upload brand assets, then you design with EA, and then you review and edit, then you download and use, and then you additional features, and the last step is support and resources. So what is Flare.ea? So Flare.ea is an EA powered platform focused on streamlining and enhancing creative processes, particularly in the realm of visual content creation. It leverages advanced artificial intelligence to assist users in generating, editing, and refining images, making it a valuable tool for designers, marketers, and businesses. So in the homepage here we have the AI design tool for product photo shoots, drag and drop to generate stunning product shoots in seconds. And if we scroll down, we have our various information like mix standout content with stunning templates. We have your still life, furniture, food. You can just select the niche you want. And if you scroll down, we have your stage scenes digitally with drags and drop props. Bring it to life with EA. Then we have mix and match product with templates, and then we have bolt leg shoots faster than ever, and we have here bolt leg shoots faster than ever, and other information like, and if we scroll down we have also here fashion photo shoots and other new features. Also we have here prompt, and then if we scroll down we have also iterate, collaborate, and then we have remove background here, magic erase, upscale image, replace product, make variations, and if we scroll down also we have here scale your design with APA, and we have design with Flare. So to get started, let's come back to the top here and click over get started for free, and you link your account by using Google or using your email address. So choose Google. As you can see, let's wait. So let's choose one of these. So let's choose mine, and this is it, how you can sign up with Flare.ai. This is the homepage here. We have here various things like we have here export workplace, create new projects, create a fashion project. We have here a lot of niche like beauty, fashion, food, furniture, CPG, staging, accessories, home goods, and other things. So if you want to build your projects, all you have to do is click over create fashion project. Then this is how it looks. You have your products, generate, props, humans. Then if you have to upload your product photo, then you click on generate, and it generates by templates here or prompt builder. Also you can just write your product name and choose the background here, placement, surrounding background, and custom. It's in front of or against or with, then placement also, and finally surrounded with the next two, and some details also like number of results, reference image, correct color, render straight, color strength, and outline strength. You can select the one you want here, and then we have here prompts. You can just search by keywords, and then we have here humans also. You can just select formal skincare and beauty models, then casual models. Also you can select male models or hands holding smaller or hands. Then we have here edit. You can just remove background, magic erase, upscale creative, image variations, color here. You have here you select no one or full color, and here the price, the background color, suffix also, and here PNG, CPG, and finally you download your image. So this is for edit. So how we can just upload our product photo? So all you have to do is dive into canva.com, and this is my account. It's free, and you in the homepage here just have to click in custom size presentation here, as you can see. Then you select your product photo by searching here. Then you select background color, position also. Then you add page, notes, duration, timer also. You can zoom also here. You can add comment, quick actions, and finally you click over here and you download your image photos. So Canva is very helpful to just modify a lot of things in your product photo. You can also delete your title, delete link, add other things like number, your number, or your link, or other things, or you can just change the color and various things. So let's come back to the Flair here. Then if you upload product photos, and also here we have also when here you have here an empty room with the sun shining draw with the windows in front of a natural beige background and circular platforms with white bedside table and wall art and white couch and kokipo and ceramic vase and white leather chair and kashi white chair and wood table next to leaves, and you click on generate. So in the file here you can just download your image if you've done all these steps. So FlairAI is represents a significant advancement in the field of digital marketing by integrating AI into content creation and analysis processes. It enables businesses to enhance efficiency, gain deeper insights into their audience, and produce more relevant content. This innovative approach transforms how businesses communicate and interact with their customers, providing them with a competitive edge in a constantly evolving market. So you can use social media to share your products like WhatsApp group. WhatsApps also use Pinterest photos, also story videos and Instagram, TikTok also. You can also use Facebook to share by posts or by group also in Facebook, and that's it with Flair, and have a nice both about your project. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.